Hello guys. Yeah. I believe we have reached the border. So this is the border, right? And here starts our escort with the levies. Process of getting through the customs took a while, but now we're in Pakistan and we are rolling.
I forgot where to drive.
Yeah, it's the left side. Yeah.
They have to register our passport at every checkpoint.
Yeah. I used the air pocket behind the car.
Because you can go faster.
Yeah.
This is the hair.
Yeah. Just came to this little village and they have a police station. We were supposed to go further, but it got dark and they insisted that we stayed in this police station. So we came here and we have had food here, everyone, along with all the officers. And now another officer came and he was a big boss and he told us now we can go to that other place that we were supposed to go to from the beginning. So yeah, it's 10 o'clock and we are now leaving again to a new location. This is the police station. All the bikes. And now we're leaving.
The right time to check the tires.
I'm checking tires.
Yeah, you can see them.
Hello, mister. I'm good. How are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
My name is Arhan.
Sarkhan. My name is Niklas. Nice to meet you.
Passport?
Passport? Yes. Passport, sir.
It's our duty is desert police.
Yes.
Forest, there is no forest, just desert.
Yes. Only desert here. Desert in your language. What is the name?
Registan.
Registan. So we managed to get. This is a hotel, like 400 kilometers from Quetta. Welcome to a hotel room in Pakistan. Bye. Okay, so leaving our first night. Khudafez. So this is the little city of Dalbandin, where we have spent our first night at a police station. No, at a hotel. Yeah, this is how it looks like. This is a city in the middle of the province Baluchistan, which still requires safety, security, escort, whatever you want to call it. And we're leaving and we are headed for Quetta. It's about 400 kilometers, but we should make it today. Okay, first fuel stop of the day. Oh yeah, how are we going? First checkpoint of the day.
They watch.
Photos.
Do you think it's just the photos are for fun or because they have to check? What
I think a mix.
kind of mix?
Yeah, we have a lot of mixes. Yeah,
Because also the guy asking for the Facebook.
Yeah.
But I don't understand if it was for pleasure or to check me.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. Ah, perfect.
Very feeling.
They seems to be more frequent now, closer to Quetta. How close to Afghanistan are we now? It's quite near. Passport. So we reached Quetta. And now we go in a close convoy with the levies and hopefully make it to the police station. There's the car behind us, car in front of us. So this is the hotel situation in Quetta. Our room is a mess right now though, but we've been stuck here for 2 days now, and today we are going to the I can't remember the name of the office, but we're gonna get our NOC documents, which means that we are allowed to travel to certain places in in Pakistan, and yeah, so we are waiting for the escort now to go take us from here to there. And we are leaving for the NOCs. We have with our escorts. So I think we arrived to the home department. Now we're gonna get our NOCs. We've been escorted by these guys. Thank you. Is there any more? No.
Out.
Okay, now let's go.
Okay, welcome. So we finally got out of Quetta and now we are heading southeast. I think the destination today is Shikarpur, where we will meet up with Iqbal, and from there me and Matteo will join Iqbal out to a event of some sort, like a rally in the desert. Yeah, it's gonna be nice, I think, if we get rid of the leaves. But yeah, we'll see what happens. For now, just gonna enjoy these roads because they are amazing. It's like some sort of mountain pass before we start getting down again from Quetta. The levees just kept on going.
Yeah, they're here.
Oh, they're back.
We almost fell on our car.
Yeah.
Flying higher than our car.
Oh, he flew over the car he crashed in.
We think we hit him, no?
No, we didn't. No.
I thought he did. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Salam. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, we have to go. Okay. Come on, Matteo. Bye. I don't know where we are, but the traffic is crazy. The trucks are crazy. This is crazy. Is this even Pakistan? What the fuck? Palm trees and rice fields. Okay. So we're being followed by the police escort now, I think. Or we're trying to run away from them. This in front of me is Iqbal. He's a very famous Pakistani motorcycle rider, and he has arranged for us so we can leave the police escort and go to a desert rally with him and a bunch of other people. This rally is in Baluchistan, which is officially out of bounds for us, but apparently he's quite powerful, so he managed to make the police let us go. So we will go there without the police, just with him.
Like cup of tea?
Huh?
Like you want a cup of
Tea?
Yes. Tea break.
Yes. Perfect.
बहुत शुक्रिया आप सब दोस्तों का, बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत शुक्रिया आपका.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, sir. I have no idea what just happened. It's amazing meeting all the locals in the small villages like this. Oh, so nice, so nice. Good morning. Can I do it for you? What are we doing here in the desert, Tipo? Oh my god.
Iqbal bhai, please come here.
Maybe Iqbal can explain for us.
Yeah.
Hello everybody.
This is Iqbal, famous biker here in Pakistan, and he took me out to the desert for a rally or some sort.
Here is the Jhalmaksi Jeep Rally. I'm because photographer, Jeep Rally photographer, and a very big event here in Balochistan side. And here Pakistan is the 4 rally is the very important, famous. One in Jhalmaksi, second Gwadar, third is biggest in Cholistan, is 450 kilometer track, and fourth in Thal Jeep Rally near to Multan city.
Yes.
Yeah, this and here you can see in all Pakistan people come to here for Jeep Rally participant. Inshallah today and meet him on the track.
Nice. Good.
And you are lucky you are here.
Yes.
Deep in Balochistan.
Yes. Thank you.